Your lat pull down sucks. I'm going to explain why. The muscle that you are targeting is your lats. Think about it, the muscles underneath your armpits. The majority of the time when I see people doing this wrong, it's because their shoulders are elevated and they're not thinking about squeezing oranges in your armpits. Think of that cue. I want to think about driving my elbows down to the ground, having my shoulders back with a proud chest. The problem is when you pull down, and your shoulders are up here, you can't engage your lats. I want you to think shoulders away from your ears, and I want you to think about squeezing oranges in your armpits. Whether it's a pull down or it's a row, it's the same idea. I want to pull back with my elbows and my shoulders, having a proud chest, and I don't want to have my shoulders elevated to my ears, shoulders away from your ears. Think about it like this. If I am having a rounded back and I'm trying to pull, I'm not gonna feel this in my back, but I wanna think pulling back with my elbows and my shoulders, having a proud chest, and I'm gonna be engaging my lats as well as the other muscles that I wanna target in my mid back.